Hello again, this is Dr. Halbert here in the office at Parkrose Chiropractic on Northeast Sandy. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about healthcare and your relationship with it. Fair warning, this may get a little bit preachy, which I don't normally go in for, but bear with me. In our culture, we tend to get complacent about lots of things. If it's not easy or immediately available, we probably just won't do it. There was a time when we cooked our own meals with actual vegetables from the ground rather than prepackaged meals and fast food. There was a time when you would get some hard work done outside rather than sitting indoors all day. There was a time when we had no choice but to spend downtime with our loved ones. We used to do lots of things that were pretty good for us. Now, most of us with precious little extra time and money, those things are luxuries, even if you know you should do them. You have to go out of your way to eat healthy, nutritious food, get proper exercise, or really relax or enjoy life. Most of us just simply don't. Similarly, if we are sick or in pain, we want to take a pill and then figure out which of the other 5 fires to put out with our one tiny little bucket of water. This hectic lifestyle slowly wears down your mind and your body, and all of these issues are important to your health. I'll address them in other videos. Today, I want to focus specifically on your dedication to your own health care. For any of my physician friends out there, you know this means you too. First off, if you have a health concern, go see someone. I know there are endless excuses not to, and I use them all too often. But the most important thing is you have to convince yourself that your health is worth your time and your money, that you deserve to be as well as you can be. I know the longer you've been dealing with something, the harder it is to keep trying. Most doctors will prescribe medication. Unfortunately, 2 pills a day for the rest of your life doesn't always fix the problem. And I'm not just poking at MDs and pharmaceuticals here. The same is true for chiropractors. Coming in to see me once a week for the rest of your life isn't always going to be the answer either. Sometimes, no matter how good your MD or your chiropractor is, there's only so much they can do for you. And that's because there are 2 sides to getting better. There's what I or your other doctors can do for you in the office, and it's very important, but then the rest is up to you. That means if you're my patient and I give you exercises, do them. It's part of the treatment. Your condition probably won't improve as much if you don't, and frequently they're integral to helping prevent flare-ups or future injuries. Whatever I or another doctor recommends, it's done for a reason, whether it's exercise, dietary advice, anything else. It's not just because we're supposed to say that stuff. It's because these things can really make a huge difference in the outcome of your condition and potentially the quality of the rest of your life. That's why it's so important that you're dedicated to your own health, rather than just relying on the pills or adjustments. Only you can make sure that you follow your doctor's orders. Only you can set aside the time to do the exercises, buy the healthy foods, spend the time cooking them. Only you can make sure you're doing what is necessary to improve your chronic issue. Only you can make sure you're doing whatever you can to prevent your recent injury from becoming that chronic issue. Well, I could do some of that stuff for you, but it costs a little extra. Another benefit of really believing you can and deserve to be healthier is called placebo. Now, placebo usually gets a pretty bad rap, and it's most unfortunate. It's like looking down on the bright side or telling someone not to be optimistic. The placebo effect is awesome. Here's how it works. No matter what either of us believe about pharmaceuticals or chiropractic care, when they're used for the appropriate conditions, they will generally cause predictable improvements. So, that's a baseline. Now, your brain can either facilitate or inhibit the healing process based on your mood, your opinion of my competence as a doctor, your opinion of the chosen treatment, plus how happy you are in your relationships, at work, at home, and in life in general. So, if I think I can get you better, and you think I can help get you better, you can actually get more better. Or, if you're convinced it'll never work, you can actually get less better. And yeah, it's just placebo, but your brain controls everything, and its effects are very real. You know, would you rather be that person who can't walk, yet lives an amazing and enviable life, or the kind of person that lets your own challenges convince you that you cannot live a great life? Please, 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 choose positivity. Take the next few minutes. Really think about whatever conditions you may be dealing with. Think about your relationship to your healthcare and your body. How do you feel about your body? Does it look and work how you want it to? Are you allowing your ailments or inaction to reduce the quality of your life? Do you believe that you deserve to be as healthy and happy as you can be? There's only one person who can begin to make a positive change. And, of course, big surprise, it's you. Some of us have conditions that may never improve, or even they get progressively worse. But rather than think about the things you cannot do, think about what you can do. Think about the conditions you can treat and the positive changes you can make in the conditions you have. Do you take responsibility for your health and for your life? Are you an active participant in trying to make your life better? Showing up for your appointment, it's a very important first step, but it's not everything. The rest is on you. Just think about it. In the meantime, your doctors, your loved ones, and your life will be waiting for you. As my mentor once misquoted someone else, whether you believe you can or whether you believe you can't, you're probably right. So, as always, forward this to anyone you know who might benefit from it, and check back in a week or two for more. Thank you.